Obade, say ye beji watum. Na se ya kase woso o yo ba na osipi esitadea. Eya na abribiano. Ya ho siesie ehia pa. Enu nti ene e wo de Jenny so. Me de wo ebe fa fashion akwantuo no. Na ene ye ba be sia de. Eni ewraba bia eba ne fashion dia. Oba be chire yen na ye sia de. Se ne be ya wa wo fie. Wo so be nya some fashion sense bi na wo so watimi e di abobra no. Na wa rio empnatrio adwuma o bibia etimi akoso. The Jenny season 7 ya di niam bebre e na April. Enenso ye hia e wo Adum TV so. Me amidi dwuma de ho cha me di e di Abena Ghana. Abunofo egudie. Ya ka se nipa bia no wo first impression ye very necessary. Se nipa beji watum ana nipa enje wontuma ahosiesie any we impressions for the first time e count pa. Nti ene kame ho na yentena se na ye ne ya ye CEO Cadie entwetwe nkomo e wo de Jenny so na ansa na ye bedi sa nkomo no mame nda aboa form asomase na watch bia me di juma de April e wo Adum TV so e ye time have Mr. What's malaria de look no further and no any time na ye wie no near the lip e lip tomato paste for say ye be no aduane ama na ye de na aduane be de a eno ani lip tomato paste na ye wie no ye de give us clean care enya ho siesie enkwane so ba wa ye soche oba ne de osiesie fie ema fie eti kroche na efie be ye kama de a eno ani give us clean care na ye wie a ya wie ben eno ani nyade ya have Mr. Empanyifwe and also masing and I'm this season 7 April. Mami twa me ho na yeba to us. Yakọ akọjin kratso aba yatnase e wo de Jenny so ye hia sei dia ye bedi nkomo. Ene so yatnase na ansa na edi dwuma de be hyehye so no me chia mpanyifo a omo obono nananom ye chia mo. Na ansa na no ye beda ye guest no edi no na ye da aboafo ase se na wotwe bia mo boa ye ne etimi di dwumadie no ebrem baby bia owo ewo Adum TV so ene me guest no eye Cadie mami akoba
me dance
ahofe de oboa o ela ela adofo asomade fefefe ye hyemi ela ene de ama me seche se me hye bi nhia o tene do ma hia o asomade na fe me dance na ye ka se Cadie kra Cadie ede na oye ofri hin na sesi obaji Ghana nyina fa Cadie ya mo nkomo
okay ye ka se Cadie me din ankasa de Samuela na ko abledu nti Samuela neja me twa the shots
na ofa ella no
okay ella no
okay
yeah me free Kumasi
okay
efijasi me ma me free Kumewu ankasa na me papa ye Kroboni
okay
yeah me call me school nyina most often ewo Kumasi
okay
na kakra wo Cape Coast men
okay te kan fanti kakra kakra ene di be wi akra
yeah na me buy na me see akra de me
onko watna just wa ji akra boso ela de cheers we the cheers na ye ni nkomo na chese cheers to all the greatness and everything oka say fashion dia everybody talks about Cadie empa na we when it comes to fashion.
Okay, I would say it's a member of fashion industry, you know. I was quite lucky to deal with most of the
celebrities.
Yes,
yeah.
I am madam for Seligali.
Okay.
Na me started styling in term and only say selling so the upper fashion pa into Emma na me styling. Yeah, that exposure na enkofo be who all they like it to say accessories. No say na most often yeah, underestimated jewelry. Obu officer ma shamata de awie. Okay. But jewelry a very essential piece. It is more like the icing on the cake.
Oh.
Yes. Into wait me dressing nice, but jewelry in can ye who atade no.
Okay.
And obi won so be dressing nice. Baby ana jewelry no wakofa ni bebre.
Na bro so.
Obi so ano aye ne ketu ebi. Into that education no, any that styling na me ye no. E man kofo so okay bi wa me sha atade we ya. Eye se me she jewelry we. Me she we ya, eye se me she we. Aha. Inti enene ma enkofo edi hu mo.
E ma enkofo ti ne be ka say eye Sally ene nam no so a aboa ama ene enkofo ehu a you are into fashion and other things. Inti yembra fashion no mo kakra. What is so important for oba say obey fashion ube look good? What is it?
Okay, looking good no. One say they be America say in as much as ye be looking down so boy so me dem enfa ho me she bibia na me nko. One say obi ho a the first thing they see about you
impression.
is impression.
Yeah.
Ade a wahye a wo dey ba. Enti as oba nso de a se bi obe say ye de ye enti say mema no kra enye fashionable but oba de odru ba bia o dressing no dress and nipa be approach you. Okay. Sometimes what dress it decent ema enkofo hu in a kind of way.
Okay.
Ebu a wa share entade bi nyema bi nso obi tumi hu in a different kind of way.
Okay.
Na enye ba bia nso ne ye share atade bia ede ye den. Ede ko atade bu a ye she na nwumre, ebi a ye she na wia. Enti as oba de eyese hu saa nyema ni nyina because no matter osika na say wo bi say wo ni bi o fashion sense de
it was so strong.
You know, because any premier in young police kenny, yeah. Because work you can see any out and say,
I sorry, but hormone shots, Madi, hormone to chain. So you want to tell me they don't look beautiful?
They look beautiful in a day, but once a fashion idea is your own taste and how you elaborate it.
Okay.
Hormone because of religion aspect in it, you know, any certain things or more who jewelry say a representing it, you know, they have decided say hormone jewelry.
Okay.
So they are okay with it. So let me say they are not more like in the fashion. Once you fashion or follow fashion trends.
Yeah.
And so mono they keep things to the minimal.
Okay.
But you're ban complete fashion there, you can't do without jewelry. Even corporate or shata there. Untimi check a but ketwa na wo hye no kwa no you should make a statement. To say our dress our kamati way. What you African printing. Once wo chain na da kom na e bright so wo earring na ma wo chinwi ne wanim ni nyina peja kama wo show rings e hye won sa e ma wo nails na wa ye no once wo fa glass ya wo kutai na just a ring na ye atija no be sa sister Abena
jewelry di ehia yemra brabonum akwada we school kakra okọ kakra kumasi ba kepkos ena wa ba nkran se onko ena wo baaye journey ni na is that easy. I know what shops you've done so well for yourself.
Thank you.
Enti den say na wo famu na ye nuanom mo wo fie hwen so who say you have to start from somewhere to get somewhere. Yeah for journey no. Okay,
so me journey there let me say me call university or Valley View.
Okay.
Me accounting and me papa a banker. Enti the dream was to be a banker and I me started enti me we school no me call banking mo kakra for a year and a half. But me woman no na me realize say no me no banking na nche da nya ma ade sa asa edwadie no masi dwadie ni ade no wo me ni so
accounting de no awo
yes
kan bo muteti bi free mo na
titi bi mo na no wo me ni so nya banking side no enti me and I'm so okay and I would want to start my own business. But it wasn't easy because me were bank no and I want to chip in we over say because obi na tam ska bi ma
bank ben na now
and I'm First Atlantic Bank.
Oh, so you really started?
Oh yeah, I started banking. Me customer service. Now me corporate banking. I was in the public sector. Yeah, come marketing. Yeah, there.
To focus on your dream.
Yes, and I'm CEO. Me person.
Na easy. And now the pages can be ma na de start here.
Na easy. Na me wo ho no. So na me tonton kakra because.
Na what started fun and kakra.
Na me kakra na me tonton kakra because me uncles also ye business. Inti me na me ye kakra na ma fana. Me ton inti mo na me no me pese me njai to obi kwa ka say ade na me nye banking no na me ton wo side no na me no me no me pese me nye business no na me njidin inti me ye na me say ye we na enye yi inti wo de ma me njai ba me jai ye na enye easy Abena yeah me easy because me buy me first 3 months no more than even a year 2 years no wo de niam ba be gu ho yento bu a me ko shop a me nyeska kwa amfa ntua weka na ma kai me say come in bank by now, come my salary, young girl, then I'm aging. No stress, no nothing.
Wow.
But my baby Ejuma is so MPK. Do I go back or do I close up?
That's where the decision is.
Yes. It's one our passion, no. But no, I didn't make ye no. And yes, I may ye because of Sikane, may ye because me pay. Ejuma na me ye no. And see, my main tongue was so a drink coming say, Anya. Nyankopon de bibi be pie maba enti ye young people no say na o kan no bo start ade na enye yi na office say wotena mu na atu o start ya na afa but enye sa a process yeah
enti process na o start kakra okoji shop na o start here I mean how was it offer difficulties because minimum say you may be entrepreneurship is not easy.
Not at all.
Sometimes workers no can feel say more your favor.
Oh.
Those that you are paying things. I feel so got me konya worker boy here no can see that na see that.
Yeah.
Have you passed through this?
Hey,
Come see be ya. Yeah, you person your business you be hu de be.
In the issue of workers, easy. I have gone through a lot. I'm a make class. See, I am learning on how to deal with workers and adapt certain personalities. Because me, you'll be a man, some gonna be very nice. And see,
they take advantage of that.
They take advantage. See, me for worker be a. Say baby, what the mimi dino, mama will be me. Me treat you to say me ni anamon kuma. And see, ebu abon say. Oh yeah, no, any pane the area. When you also know the or disrespectful. The last time me too quite. Me call Dubai, me call Fanny Maba. Me buy na me work a be a many year juma.
I heard about
to the
it.
tune of 40,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
Yes. And no offer products, no offer car. Obi be try dia onshore.
Wafa.
Na wafa. Enti Nyankopon na asa me wo ho no na bibiyam say no. Ma me nsoma obi no meto ade. Ade a onim say what system because ni nyina mesua o bank e fe no mystery shopping. It me shada free obi e no abana camera bone ho. No be hwe say obe treat customer ni ya.
Really?
Yeah. Inti me yes ade no me ma obi buy no nim sabe na masoma nipa no ampane nipa no to ade no na wa record bi no wa okipi de yaka inti me buy no na me de chi na ache say yenkom police station ko pie man che say nema wa fa de bebre e na nya ono nko ankofu bebre manya that experience inti no nko alone no obetima ka say wo jai because adwuma na wo ye no
ahina
sanya na nipa da pani wo fa 40,000 inti utu abon say wa adwin nyina ye hyehye inti Ghana ha na kwa say wo bi adwuma na wadane eyi magnet de bia na usi ho
na just say wo ye adwuma unya brea enema bi I don't venture
debi because sometimes
they say ye adwuma yi now see me ko ye la adwuma bia
sometimes all the niema ni nyina be put in place somebody will ask me don't you have the things in the system they are there ube the niema ni nyina be go computer move with the stock and everything you have cameras on your phone but
they still have a way.
Into most of the time no yesterday be oma on 90 awo na chese wo check it because enye ni wi an the way they even treat the customers cry no enye easy because obu obi be disrespect no those are some of the challenges.
Me who say why your website and aside jewelry no what's your venture into clothing and other things, how is it like?
Okay, so first of all websites no came about when minya problem with Instagram. Na me following more Instagram baby we say mostly which share your account ni disable ye. Oh. Yeah, first one no. Yeah, which was almost getting to 40,000. One day we woke up na yes sales maybe my new shop or no. Yeah, clearance. And you hacking po disabling na then Instagram say a report page, you know. They couldn't give me a tangible reason. Yeah, disable.
Ejumana we no so obi report to me
disable. Yeah, be a second one. And also you be a almost 10K and also you disable. And as a business person, no me no man chain massage no currency. Answer na no mo be disable no. Na me di kind I'd be a website no because I foresaw it. So sometimes it was happening to a lot of people, other people. And you be a website and a app. Into your app or Google Play Store ne App Store oboy la Cadie obetimi download ti hono niema ni nyina wo with their prices and everything just your perfumes, bags, shoes near to pade dia chobia it makes it easier okọ ya baby obi a auto a na just say you deliver amount. Into as a business person, and these are some of the things that you have to foresee, not just say
an upgrade
because okay, say Instagram on kwana what's na won't me any day.
Now websites is it way in for purchase?
Oh, once a website Ghanaians you used to one way but I cry because when you go what's Ghana now what idea wa brocha won't me go to Instagram Uncle Busa say how much send me picture obi en who be few but emre ni ho what I say but also outside your website so but into what I have done is obi up a discount into okoto website obenya 10% discount
now ba shop the amount
into it is to motivate and I WhatsApp me cry now to WhatsApp I amount but so website na app obenya 10%
oni mo ba odi asmade ne be ko na makọ website wo memma ne dia asmade na ko mesan akọ website wo asi akoto ne foforo na ana
discount
my uncle break here ba Ya kwaje nkrato aba oguso a ehwede Jenny ewo Adum TV so ene ye ne Ella Cadie na etwetwe nkomo say ba jewelries dia obestale o ama bibia ayekama etimnim se wa wo fie wa yese me a ewo so busua de na ye keka bibom na 2022 de ye di gina so emma daddy no ho say yeso ya ba ye gina so enti gibre na ye ndi nkomo yese e mai de mu babenya sika se ni ade a independent woman ni ade enti se oba bia maami bia so so be ma ne ba aye entrepreneur na so se made me ho me independent ni ade. How is the journey like that side? As yes mum power mum be ma mum bu be ma because you think you have it all.
And there I would say enti sa in okay me make from me experience ni yes enti sa won say oba wo ye independent a eboa wo mostly no a man be called relationship because of the obenya. Enti sebe ma na ye na de na ompe kra ontimi nka yes I must say ya na say wo je because nim say wo kokan obeja no but me I will choose independent any other day.
Wow.
Yes, because
that is strong.
Yeah. Aware eye so book no anasa wo partner ne wo honom because bema de bia no matter oba osika obenya kra the man will always be the head and you be submissive. And I want to say this, a man bebre obubu mema no it's not like they are submissive. Some of them no ebu e scanning tia. What I say, so there's a difference between submissive and yeah and so obi woni sika na so osa respect so not just a genuinely obu
ankasa yeah
sebe unu obi nama definitely ebi a boy o ya de anase wo abusua ewia so bia na obeti maka say onkwa wo ye bibia de ofudu apa na epia no me say ametia mostly no me uncle eboa me in terms of business advice say wo ba me shop ade bia mete wo ma yese mita because at the end of the day no sika na me de ko fa niema no ye sika me ami hu ne se me ami moja nti ese me bre na me kotua ba se obi na de ma me a madam obeba no niema ne guo me madakra because ye to ya nto enye me sika de bia me ka se obi sika ye mfa nye business.
Yes.
And so ye terms kakese de ma okra na obehye no nti sometimes no so obi ma obi kakra bi na o sa the advice no e ka ho ma o advice ne kra alone no e betimi abaye ama wa baye obi a opesa wo ye wo wiase
nti advice no kra ye enough
advice and support
and never my yes ade now you who the reason why I was say oba utimi ho fashion kakra obi wo ha o sika pa na so pie we baby a enimunyam bia enim na abeye kasa bi ewo akamfo ya mamrem Ghana titiri say yes oba address ya we play mine so that mentality no so ama sebi sorry to say bebre so ya enkrase for because all kwa dressy aye ne ho ye we dey play mine ba o and people think when you are like that it's difficult to have a man.
Say sometimes a man no cry no or more motion say bi beji atuma obu obesima kofa girl bi na ohu na wa dress wo ye peche pa and your dress kama and so sa oba no cry you very economical pa but obu fi say eh sa ma we do mo ye high maintenance o wo kofa na ka obebo high maintenance ma obekom no na mo say oh say eye kukukuku kwa obu onso obehu no unless ye or ye simple say but no kra no spend it on one biane na ka wa to agu
oba so de oba ne de oboa ne kunu e ma ne timi make baby
yes enti ye nhwe ni panim enti me ndi nkofo chi say o mo say fashion and of dress ya we premine no just that dress for the occasion.
Okay.
Okwa sorry de ekọ. So you should know every occasion and what to wear.
Every occasion and what to wear. Get that say. Send the barbecue idea. It was season 7 so it was the journey so. Aha and abriba me edi juma di esina sana no. Asemba community be catch youth out there. Omo ehye.
The mechanic say even your project aye ni asema me be kan boy brua ni nyina ne say men twen say me pe bibi kese ansa na ma start.
Okay.
The hustler Ghana say the nyina ne say respect whatever hustle that brings you money. You free one ansa na yakotu enti adwuma wo ye bia no men twen say wo peska kese ansa na wo dia start. E na youth no mo nya abotre ohu nya say wo tena mu ana atu nkakra na ebe ye na adwumaden any hard work ena nyankopon de bia o manyame di wani mu kan a ono na be kire o se o me ba ye sei ono na be ma o favor ye de ehia ansa na wakoye de fata ba ni nyina echi no siesie wo ho kama na ma fashion ye den enka ho
ela ye da so buy aha ena brebe ma yedi esi na nsa na yebekọ no ye wa chedie bi wa ha ye de ma ofefefe ne akacho se ye da ase pass obaye afi hampese go etire ha nyina ye sponsor say ye for ma aha ena brebe ma yedi the journey season 7 edu na eye eni gie kese se motimi akita ye mu a enye yizo to be this far with the journey season 7 say ye de ba na mangia tum ansha ka dwuma de me ye sure say mpanyifo ayi afri so enti ye beda ewiase nyina ase sabre bia no mo hwe de journey e correct ye ewe mu mane nkose wenke ko si yankeye na yesu yeguso na yaji atum na yeguso edi dwuma na ye beda adum tv mpanyifo nyina ase ye damase konoma entertainment yes ye damase samoso ya se ne etimi de dwuma de eba eye tv kase a entese na enam so mabunu eso afamu aba na abribia ye de airport bra ansa na mekono mame na aboafo ase yase boafo enna enti so obi so wasene na oboa ma bibi akoso a abribia no na wada na se ye da aboafo maso yase eye time herbal mixture cause malaria de wajo any time ya da time for ase wie no na ya da give us clean care for ase ye wi a lip tomato paste enna ye ketchre nye dia herbal mixture omo nyina aka ho ye di season 7 ebro ewo Adum TV so kai se nyame wo ma ebeyeye midin e de Abena Ghana abunofo ekudie makrao